I've got that quilt done. I'm quilted on top, and now I'm going to put the binding on. I've already got part of it on. I hope everybody's doing all right this evening. Quilt is so big it's hard to guide it all the way under the sewing machine. But its quilt has turned out so pretty. Bring you back when I get ready to stitch it. All right, this morning I've got sewed the binding on, and I am now hand stitching it, turning it over and hand stitching it. I hope everybody's doing okay this morning. But this has turned out so pretty. Took me about 4 or 5 days to make it. I got another one I'm going to cut out when I get through with this one. It's going to be a drunkard's path. It's going to be white and dark pink. The pink has got little white polka dots on it, and then the white it's going to be, just solid white. So I can't wait to get started on it. I get excited when I make it a quilt, and I can't wait to get finished and start another one. But I'm making these quilts to help because I just live on a Social Security check, and I'm trying to make me some extra money. I retired a little over 3 years ago, and I was 76 years old when I retired then. But I started work in 1960 as soon as I graduated from high school. And there's a few years there I didn't work, raising my children. But I went back to work in 1970, and I worked till 3 years ago. I worked almost 50 years. This is my last side to sew down. There wasn't no use in videoing the whole thing, because I started this on last night, sewing it, the binding on, because the first part of this video I done last night. All right, I got it spread out on the bed. I've got it all ready binded on it and everything, and I stitched it down. But that's what it looks like. And it's so pretty. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I got another video coming out, just hit that bell and you'll get notified. Y'all have a blessed week.